everyone. I would like to start with a quote by an American talk show host, Oprah Winfrey, very famous,
Oh,
we all know her. Be thankful for what you have, and you will end up having more. So, ma'am, with this wonderful knowledge filled session, we are really craving for more. So, and gratitude, like we all know, should be in our act and must be expressed. So,
thank you.
therefore, I, Dr. Shalaka Chauhan, one of the organizing secretaries of today's event, deem it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all those who have helped us in making this webinar such a resounding success. I feel honored to express our profound gratitude to Colonel Dr. Professor A. M. Paturkar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, MAFSU, Nagpur, for valuable guidance, constant encouragement, and eminent advice for the organization of this international webinar. Sir's commitment to motivate us and work under such circumstances is commendable. Sir is a true inspiration for all of us, and we are grateful to him. A million thanks to you, our distinguished orator, the phenomenal elephant lady, Dr. Kain Umar,
Thank you.
consultant of captive welfare of Asian elephants, Veterinarians International USA. On behalf of the organizers, I take this opportunity to wholeheartedly thank you and congratulate you, ma'am, for the wonderful presentation. The way you have explained this topic was outstanding, and today you have inspired many young minds to take up wildlife as a career option. So, besides this critical situation due to COVID-19, the efforts you have put in to make this webinar a grand success is surely commendable, especially on this occasion of World Elephant Day. So, our
Thank
best wishes for all your future endeavors, ma'am. I must say that we are all inspired by your enormous work, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh, thank
I
you
would
so
like,
much again for me to your, honorable vice chancellor and the
sure,
dean, and then so to give me a opportunity is a platform for me from to talk to thousands of attendants. I do not expect to that. I'm the most webinar I have met my students is about 200. That's the most. So
oh,
I'm so astounding, for
ma'am,
this,
it's
and
10
I'm
times,
really grateful.
10 times than that, ma'am. So, thank you, ma'am. I,
Thank you.
I would
I
like to
wish I will come back to Hyderabad again.
sure, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, come to Nagpur, ma'am, to Maharashtra,
Yeah,
Hyderabad.
Nagpur is yeah.
Yes,
Out of that, yeah. Why I haven't been, but I really would say come back with once pandemic over. Hopefully, I can once I can travel, I can connect to your
sure,
team.
sure,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay.
You're
Thank
most
you.
welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much for
I
everybody.
I would like to propose a hearty vote of thanks to our Associate Dean, Dr. S.B. Kavitkar, Nagpur Veterinary College, Nagpur, for supervising us with his vision, his extraordinary abilities, and leadership to guide us in the difficult time, and for being always our backbone in our endeavor and for his constant inspiration. I'm fervently thankful to Dr. Shirish Upadhyay, Director WRTC and Professor Veterinary Surgery and Radiology, Nagpur Veterinary College, Nagpur, for his wholehearted support beyond words for this event, just like a backbone, and he's always ready to help nature. I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the respectful Dr. D.S. Norial, President ISVM, for providing encouragement and support and giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I would also like to thank Dr. R. Ram Prabhu, General Secretary ISVM, for his moral support and guidance. I extend my sincere thanks to the University Librarian Shri Sunil Gawande sir for providing all the necessary facilities for smooth conduct of this webinar. Thank you, sir. Then the warm and special thanks I would like to convey for our beloved Dr. V.M. Doot, Head Department of Veterinary Medicine and the Chief Organizer of today's event for his vision and commitment to work and its
Yes.
execution with huge efforts and constant dedication
And
for
please
completing this
relay
web.
my thanks to you as to them as to Dr. Dutt as well.
Yes, ma'am. With this huge success. Behind every successful event lie the manifold attempts of our committed faculty of the organizing committee. I
Oh,
would
I
like
wish
to
I would like
take
to meet every of them.
yes, ma'am. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge the immense contribution of our dedicated faculty from the Department of Clinical Medicine, Dr. G.R. Bhojne, Dr. Chetak Panchbhai, Dr. Kalyani Thakur, and Mr. Anil Kumbre. Thank you so much. My deep sense of appreciation and thanks to all the dear participants who chose to live with us and attended the webinar with great enthusiasm. I'm overwhelmed to see a gathering of 2,364 participants from India and abroad for this international webinar. For those participants who have been inquiring throughout the webinars, the participation certificates will be available to download on the website www.cvmed.in in next 7 to 15 days. I thank one and all for being a part of this knowledge sharing test. So thank you for sparing your valuable time. Looking forward for more such meets. Stay tuned.
Yes.
And with the permission of organizers, I declare the webinar over. So thank you so much.